Hi guys, welcome to my home decoration channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, I will show you beautiful designs of wall clocks, and in this video, I will show you a beautiful collection of wall clocks. If you are worried about the selection of beautiful wall clocks, so don't worry, I'm here for you and I will help you. And in this video, I am going to show you beautiful designs of wall clocks and trendy collection of 2022. And guys, these beautiful wall clocks helps you to play with the visitor psyche and to leave a long-lasting impression. You can also share this video with your friends and family members. And guys, these beautiful clocks make your home so beautiful and outstanding look to your homes. And guys, these beautiful clocks makes you a beautiful and a perfect person, and it makes you regular person. So guys, please watch this video till then. Don't skip the video because all the designs are most beautiful and outstanding. If you are new on my channel, so make sure subscribe and also like the video and press the bell icon to get the daily updates, and share it with your friends. And also tell me how was my video in the comment section, and which kind of videos do you want to see on my channel. I hope you will enjoy. We will meet in the next video with great latest ideas. Thank you.